Hello, I'm Raquel Carbonari, Brand Activation Director for Tork North America. I hope to see you all at Clean Advocacy Summit at our nation's capital, March 23rd to the 24th. During this event, leaders will come together to gain insights into key policy issues impacting our industry and your bottom line, participate in advocacy training and networking with top decision makers that you can strengthen your business influence and enjoy a unique opportunity to take part in the Hike the Hill experience, where you will meet face to face with members of Congress and advocate for policies that can drive your business growth. Don't miss the chance to be part of shaping the future of our industry. Please come and join me and attend Clean Advocacy Summit.